Well, the situation in Uttarkashi and nearby areas is quite serious and concerning. Currently, we are reporting from Tirri Garhwal area of Uttarakhand, where we'll be showing you that how there is continuous rise in the water level of the river, because of which the continuous landslides are occurring, and it is very difficult for the people as well to move from one area to another. We saw that how there were devastating visuals yesterday from the Dharali village in Uttarkashi, and then how several, in fact, houses were washed away, the roads were washed away. However, relief camps are being set up, but the destruction has been, in a large scale, because of which the condition is very much critical over there. Given the poor weather conditions and the further predictions of the heavy rains over the next couple of days, the administration has already announced that all schools will be shut till July 6th. But as far as the current situation is concerned, you can see that how difficult it is as well to in this area as well, from where we are reporting right now, because of if we move towards Uttarkashi, then there are continuous landslides, because of which it is making difficult as well for the people or commuters or us also to move towards that area. However, the security personnel, the joint operations are being carried on. The security personnel are trying to remove the debris and reconnect the roads, but it is not that easy as it seems. On the ground, the situation is very much different and difficult as well, because what the people and locals were seeing were telling us that it is not the normal water level of this river. In the normal days, the water level is quite low, but the intensity with which the river is flowing, you can just understand the condition, that what the condition must be over here. Mrityunjay, if you can show the visuals also of this area, and in fact at any point of time the water level could keep on rising, because the red alert has already been issued in this entire area. If you move forward, then you will be heading towards Uttarkashi, but then again the security personnel are also saying that it is difficult for them as well to move towards the Dharali area, where we saw the devastating and heartbreaking visuals coming from the social media. We saw that how the social media was also flooded with those videos. We could hear people screaming for help, but again the security personnel are trying to establish contact, but the connectivity of roads is not just the road is poor, but also the connectivity of a network is very much poor over here, which makes it more challenging. However, the place where we are reporting right now, the entire area seems to be on red alert, but yes, continuous efforts are being made to rescue people, but next 24 hours are going to be very much crucial. Massive landslides have occurred at regular intervals when we are en route to Uttarkashi. We are a few kilometers away from that location where the entire cloudburst happened, devastating situation on regular intervals as well. Here there was another landslide from where we are reporting right now. You can see that how the individuals over here are on ground 24/7 to clear the roads. And as we were reporting at 3 a.m. yesterday, here at this entire area was blocked due to the landslide, and it is quite difficult as well to report from this area, because the water flow coming from the upper extension to the lower end is quite heavy, and this is how the landslide occurs, that when you come from the upper end to the lower end, the flow increases, it comes with a force. And here you can see that how there are stones as well in their hands that they are removing, and not just one but multiple stones, multiple pieces of big stones over there, as there was a landslide, and it seems like there was a large part of the mountain that seems to be collapsed from this area. Mrityunjay is showing us the visuals over here, and we are also trying to gauge the situation. And in fact, the moment we are standing over here, we can understand how extensive the flow of the water is, and there also the security personnel, state police is deployed to clear the road. But the manner in which this landslide has occurred, it shows that how critical the situation over here is. And when you walk from this area, Mrityunjay, come here and show this visual also, that when you walk from this area, it is very difficult to lift up your foot also, because the flow is so extensive that you could easily get carried away by this flow. However, the red alerts have been issued in several areas. At the back, Mrityunjay show that the JCB has come over here to remove this entire debris, and that's why for a smoother network, this JCB has been brought over here. And not just that, but the stone cutters have been also brought so that the big stones could be removed from their way. If
you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to Mirror Now.